Welcome to how to call yourself on your own phone. So in this video we are going to show you how to call yourself on your own phone. But before start of this video I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So for this we will use FaceTime for iPhone. And what's we gonna have to do, first of all make sure that you have two iPhones with same Apple ID. And once you done that, what's you gonna have to do, you will just open up FaceTime on one iPhone and then you will tap on this option where it says make a link. So make a link here, and now make sure that both of your iPhones are connected to each other via Bluetooth. Okay, and when you will tap on this link here, you will see your second iPhone here somewhere. Okay, because it will be connected with your this iPhone via Bluetooth. And then you will tap on that specific uh, iPhone, and then on that iPhone you will open up FaceTime and you will see the link. And then when you tap on that link, now you can basically call yourself on the second iPhone. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.